This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make jelly at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh fruit, sugar, pectin, and lemon juice. Before you begin, it's crucial to sterilize your canning jars and lids. Using ripe, high-quality fruit ensures the best flavor and provides natural pectin for a good set. This preparation sets the stage for delicious homemade jelly. Next, thoroughly wash your chosen fruit and crush it to help extract the juice. Gently cook the crushed fruit to further release its flavorful juices. For fruits with lower natural pectin, you'll likely add commercial pectin. When using powdered pectin, mix it with a small amount of sugar before adding it to the fruit juice to prevent clumping. Now, combine your fruit juice, sugar, and pectin in a large pot and bring it to a full, rolling boil. Stir constantly to prevent scorching. Continue boiling rapidly until the jelly reaches its setting point, typically around 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's ready, quickly skim off any foam and carefully ladle the hot jelly into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. To ensure your jelly is shelf-stable, process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This creates a vacuum seal. After processing, let the jars cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours, then check for proper seal. The lid should be concave and not flex. Store your sealed jars in a cool, dark place. And speaking of smart choices, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a game changer for keeping your kitchen clean, especially after a big jelly-making session. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.